Hello, everyone. This is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today, I want to go over with you how to make a social post from Command. So the first thing that we want to do is go to Command by going to agent.kw.com. From there, we're going to go ahead and sign in with our username and password. And once that loads, the first thing we want to do is head over to our campaigns dashboard. Now we're going to create a social post as if we've already made one and we've downloaded it to our computer. We're ready to go ahead and make the social post. So from campaigns, we want to head over to social posts. And this is where we'll see the upcoming scheduled posts. If we have any of those, you can view draft posts and you can schedule out. You can also filter that based on the channel. So currently, the 3 social platforms that you can post to through Command as a social media post are going to be Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So we have all of those selected. So if we had anything scheduled, that would show up here. Next thing we want to do is we want to go ahead and hit create a campaign. And then from there, we're going to do the social post. Now, once we've selected that, you'll notice that it has the social platform that I'm posting to already selected up here. I can also change that if I have another or multiple. I can also go ahead and select Instagram if I'm wanting to post to both of them. I can certainly do that. Once I have both selected, you'll notice on the right-hand side that I do have a preview of the post that I'm creating. I have that for both Facebook and then for Instagram if I've also selected that. Now, if you are connected to Twitter and also posting there, it should also give you a preview of that as well over here on the right-hand side. Now, once we have our platforms selected, the next thing we want to do is go ahead and get our content added. So this is where you can add your text as well as your image. You can include emojis. So it does say keep your text short, clear, get to the point. Include short links if you have one. So whatever you're posting for, whatever the purpose is, make sure your content matches your purpose. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and add my media. And I have downloaded a graphic from Command to my computer to upload. So I'm going to go ahead and hit browse, and I'm just going to quickly grab that Happy Father's Day post. Now, as you can see, it's giving me a quick preview. I'm going to go ahead and hit crop image. I like how it is. Then you'll notice over here on the right-hand side, it does give me a real-time preview of what that's going to look like for both platforms. Now, you don't want to forget to add your text, so I'm going to go ahead and add Happy Father's Day. And I'm just going to add a couple of quick little images. We'll do the tie and let's see. I wonder if they have any like barbecue. No, we'll just do dad. So it adds those little emojis. You can see them again over here on the preview. Instagram is below and Facebook is above, but everything is there. Once I'm done, I can include the ownership statement if I don't have it included and it is needed. Now I do have a logo added, so I don't need to add this, but if I needed one, I could go ahead and apply that as well, and it would put that on there for me. Now from there, I can either schedule this to go and publish right away, right now, or since Father's Day is this coming weekend, I can go ahead and schedule this out for Sunday, and I can change my time if I want to. Let's do 8 a.m. And from there, it's going to say June 16th, 2024, 8 a.m. I can either schedule the post or save the draft if I want to come back and make changes. I'm going to go ahead and hit schedule. It is going to give me another preview of my posts so I can review them, make sure everything is perfect, and then go ahead and hit schedule. Now from there, I'm brought back to my social posts dashboard where I can see my my scheduled posts. Now I'm not seeing the one that I have because it's only going to the 15th. So I need to jump to the next week. And if I come down, I can see that post right here. It is going to tell me it's posting to both Instagram and Facebook. It is scheduled to 2 channels at this time on this date, and we're all set. So I hope this was helpful. I hope that it helps you get a post scheduled for this coming weekend if you haven't yet. If you have any questions, please email us at support@scotlandmarketing.com. We'd be happy to help. Have a great one.